Hey, you. Yeah, you. I bet your stream looks kind of bad right now. Well, luckily, I'm here to fix it. In all seriousness, your stream probably does not look bad. It's just, I have some tools, 3 in particular, that are free that would maybe help it look a little bit better, you know? Let's get into it and leave my bad humor out of this, okay? So yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Joel, and welcome back to another video on the Exactly channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 free streaming tools that you should be using. Now, these aren't necessarily just streaming tools, but they're some pretty useful programs that I use personally, and it really helps spice up your stream and make it look a bit more unique. So let's start off with number 1. Now, the first tool that you should be using is Touch Portal. If you don't know, Touch Portal is a free Stream Deck alternative that has tons of features and even some unique little bits in there that Elgato's first-party offerings don't even have. It's awesome. I personally use Touch Portal for most of my channel point rewards. In specific, my drink water reward, Alt F4, and end stream. Now you may think, oh, every time someone does it, nothing happens. He just does it on his own accord. No. For the drinks and water one, I made it so that every time someone redeems it, it plays this
Drink some water.
sound effect. And then most of the time, if I have a beverage here, I'll take a sip or I'll go get a cup of water. You get what I'm talking about here. And the other ones are a bit more malicious, just tiny bit more malicious. The second one is Alt F4. So basically, someone could redeem it. No one has yet, thankfully. And without warning, it would close whatever I have open. So I could theoretically be in a ranked match and someone could Alt F4. I'm regretting this now. But yeah, that's besides the point. And the last one, which I'm so glad I made it so expensive, is ending my stream. So when someone theoretically has enough points, they could redeem the end stream and my stream would end. And yeah, on to the next tool. The second tool is called PixelChat. Now, PixelChat is a service similar to something like Streamlabs or Stream Elements or Player.me, but it's not as fully featured. Though it has one thing that all 3 of those platforms don't have, and that is a now playing overlay. Now, I've used a ton of other now playing overlays, and they're all clunky to set up, whereas PixelChat, it's like 5 minutes and you're done, and it's always working. It's just a little thing that pops up whenever like you either change your song or someone puts a command in the chat, or you can just have it always there. Like that's what I love about it. It's so configurable. You can change everything from the size of it to like how rounded the edges are in the little icon. It's so much customization, and it's super easy to set up because they have a really well laid out tutorial on their website. And yeah, takes like 5 minutes and you've got a really nice looking overlay. Now for the last tool, which this tool, it ties everything else together. It is Stream Elements and OBS Live. Now we're going to start with Stream Elements and then move on to OBS Live. But yeah, so I'm sure that you've at least heard of Stream Elements, but if not, in short, it's a free tool to have your overlays and alerts on your stream simply and easily. And yeah. And what makes it stand out is that you can consolidate all of your alerts and overlays into one source instead of having a folder with up to hundreds sometimes of different sources eating up all of your system memory, making your stream laggy, making your PC laggy. Overall, just not a good time. It's super easy to use, and they have tons of other features besides just overlays and alerts. One of my favorite of their features is the SE merch program. And here you can design and sell your own merch. And it's awesome. The selection is, it's not the biggest, but it's a very good selection. You can sell hoodies, t-shirts, mousepads, mugs, phone cases, stickers, and tank tops, I think, if I haven't missed anything. And it's all integrated very well, and there's even a cool alert that plays when someone buys your merch. And the very last bit is OBS Live. Now, OBS Live is Stream Elements' version of Slobs. And again, if you don't know, Slobs is Stream Elements' offering of a streaming app where they have all their stuff integrated right into it. It's not a bad app. It's just that it takes a ton of system memory and it's not as fully featured as regular OBS. Now, instead of doing what Streamlabs did and just building their own app with the OBS base code, Stream Elements built the app on top of OBS, so it keeps all of the main functionality of OBS. This means you can still have plugins, and when you download and install it, right away it'll pop up with everything you need: your activity feed, your media share, chat. I don't know if there's anything else. And all you need to do is sign in with your Twitch and arrange it to how you want it, and you're off to the races. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, remember to scroll down, leave a like, and even consider subscribing if you enjoyed. Again, my name is Exactly. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Friday, and Saturday at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. Links will be down in the description below. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.